You want to see some macho shit? I'm the most macho nigga out here. I thought you niggas knew. I'm the most thuggest nigga out here. I have no motherfucking fear. I have no fear. I have only ambition. And I want mine. And I will do anything to protect and feed my family. And these niggas represent a threat.
The suspect appearing in court today is the father of an 18-year-old killed in an officer-involved shooting on Thursday. The suspect charged with aggravated murder.
Authorities say the shooting of an 18-year-old captured on police body cam is connected to the death of an Ohio deputy after that teen's father allegedly hit him with a car a day later. Prosecutors say the attack was calculated and premeditated. Cincinnati PD responding to reports of a stolen Kia at an apartment building Thursday morning. 4 suspects then fleeing police. Among them, 18-year-old Ryan Hinton. Body camera shows Hinton fall as he tries to run away. Police say they heard a metal clinking sound they believe was a gun.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! On your right! He's got a gun!
As Hinton emerges from behind a dumpster, authorities say another officer firing 4 or 5 shots.
The officer says that he saw the suspect point the firearm at him.
Yes. Just 6 seconds passed between when police arrived and gunshots rang out. Officials say they tried administering medical aid. Hinton was struck twice and died. Investigators saying this gun was recovered from the scene allegedly found in Hinton's possession. On Friday, a day after that shooting and 2 hours after the Hinton family reviewed the body camera footage, according to the family's lawyer, a driver crashing a car into a Hamilton County deputy directing traffic near a commencement ceremony, killing him. The suspect, authorities say, is Ryan Hinton's father, Rodney Hinton Jr. Hinton's attorney calling the officer's death a horrific tragedy. At his first court appearance today, Hinton walked through a room packed with law enforcement. He's now charged with aggravated murder.
What's the deal? Thanks for tuning in to Catch a Breeze Media. It's your big dog, Breeze Avelli, the one and only. An Ohio man named Rodney Hinton fatally crashed his car into a sheriff deputy, a random sheriff deputy, after another sheriff fatally killed his son, shot and killed his son, after his son was fleeing from him and allegedly stolen the car and had a firearm. On Thursday, city police fatally shot an armed 18-year-old as he ran from them, and the next day, long-serving sheriff's deputy Larry Henderson was hit and killed in Cincinnati by a car that authorities say was driven by the young man's grieving father. The father, 38-year-old Rodney Hinton Jr., is charged with aggravated murder, but neither police nor an attorney representing his family have disclosed any motivation behind his alleged targeting of the deputy. Questions also remain in the police shooting death of 18-year-old Ryan Hinton. The Cincinnati Police Department says he appeared to point a gun at an officer while fleeing Thursday, but the officer's body camera footage does not clearly capture the moment. Amid the investigations into both deaths, law enforcement lined up Friday night to hold a procession for the fallen sheriff's deputy. Hamilton County Sheriff Charmaine McGuffey announced on Sunday that Henderson, who had been with the sheriff's office for 33 years, was struck by the vehicle and passed away a short time later. The family of Ryan Hinton is demanding answers about his death, which happened just weeks after he celebrated his 18th birthday, according to their attorney, Michael Wright. Police said the teen was one of 4 men who were fleeing after officers found him in a stolen car and that he was armed when he ran. Wright described the teen as a fun, loving, and good kid, and he said the family was surprised to learn of the circumstances around his encounter with police. The family reviewed police body camera footage on Friday morning, hours before Hinton's father allegedly struck and killed the sheriff's deputy. Wright told the Cincinnati Enquirer that the father was very distraught after seeing the footage. He couldn't finish watching the video, Wright said, of Hinton's father, according to the Enquirer. Wright said Monday he has filed a public records request for the body camera footage and police reports of other officers who were present when Ryan was shot.
Based on the officer's interviews, the officer who did discharge his firearm said that when the individual came out between the dumpsters, he had the firearm in front of him. It was in like a bladed position, and it was pointed at the officer. And he felt threatened for his life. And that
personal thoughts is, I'm not a father, but I understand. I don't agree because of the fact that it was a random sheriff. You know what I mean? But I totally understand. Even though I don't have kids, but I do understand him being a grieving father and him taking his frustrations out and retaliate. You know what I mean? So it's like the cop, he took it in his own hands to do what he did, which subsequently led to the father taking matters in his own hands and doing what he did. So it's kind of one of them situations where you fuck around and find out.
That no bond until Tuesday, when we'll review the statute for continuing no bond under these unusual and very tragic and terrible circumstances. Where will the defendant be housed, and will he be safe? And I ask that because he was transferred, as I understand it, to Clermont County yesterday.
That's correct.
On my order.
That's correct.
And will he be returned to Clermont County until Tuesday?
It's our understanding he'll be returned to Clermont
And
County.
you have a safe environment for him there in Clermont County?
Yes, sir.
You'll return him on Tuesday, May the 6th at 8:30 a.m. for a hearing at 9 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, for the record, we'd ask the court to put a bond on him now, but we understand that it's not a voluntary request.
All right, no bond.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we can hold him at no bond for 72 hours,
Yes,
is that
sir.
right?
Yes, correct.
Thank you. All right, thank you so much.
I definitely want to give my condolences to the family of the sheriff, and you know what I mean. Hopefully they can come up with a bond for Rodney Hinton and let him fight his case on the outside, man. Cause it's a fucked up situation. A lot of people conflicted. I am a little bit, but yeah, man. Free Rodney, man. Share your thoughts in the comments, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Definitely more videos on the way, man. Much love. Salute.
But it's still, it's late. Don't come around to me, correct.